Looking for smart tools that make outdoor adventures, car repairs, and DIY jobs easier and more efficient? Today, we're diving into 6 must-have gadgets designed for utility, comfort, and rugged performance. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, Industrial Endoscope Camera. If you've ever struggled to inspect a pipe, peek into a car engine, or explore a hard-to-reach space, this powerful 1080p HD endoscope will change the game. Its 8mm camera delivers crystal-clear visuals on a vibrant 4.3-inch IPS screen with wide-angle visibility. What makes it even more reliable is its IP67 waterproof rating, making it ideal for wet, dark, or oily environments. This tool isn't just about visuals. It includes 8 adjustable LED lights for optimal lighting, even in the most confined spaces. The semi-rigid, freely bendable cable, paired with the compact 1.29-inch short lens, ensures easy navigation through tight curves. Just turn it on. No Wi-Fi, no app, no setup. And with a built-in 2000 mAh battery, you get up to 5 hours of runtime. Perfect for mechanics, plumbers, and home inspectors alike. Number 5. Rechargeable Soldering Kit. A compact cordless soldering iron that fits in your pocket? Yes, please. This USB rechargeable soldering kit features a 2000 mAh battery that offers enough juice to handle quick repairs on the go. It heats up in just 3 seconds and melts tin in 6, making it ideal for efficient soldering tasks. Equipped with a replaceable tip, solder wire, flux, and a stand, this kit is fully loaded. It also has a 3-stop temperature adjustment system with easy-to-read green, blue, and red LED indicators, so you're always in control. Whether you're repairing circuit boards, wiring a gadget, or working in tight spots, this kit is built for speed, convenience, and portability. Number 4. Universal Hole Opener. For woodworking enthusiasts, carpenters, or DIYers, this multifunctional hole opener is a workshop essential. Designed to work with wood, plasterboard, aluminum, and plastic, this tool simplifies the process of punching precise holes across different materials. Made from tough aluminum alloy, the bit set is built to last and performs with high precision. The adjustable design allows for various hole sizes, while its universal compatibility makes it a go-to tool for drilling and carpentry projects. Whether you're mounting shelves or installing fixtures, this tool helps you drill clean and accurate holes without fuss. Number 3. Swivel Camping Chair. Imagine setting up your chair in just 5 seconds and enjoying a full 360 degrees rotation, all in the great outdoors. This moon-style portable chair is built for adventurers who value speed, comfort, and functionality. It weighs only 1.5 kilograms but offers robust support thanks to its aluminum alloy frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric. Once packed, it shrinks down to a mere 37 by 13 centimeters, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or fishing. Despite its compact size, the rotating feature adds comfort that typical folding chairs simply can't offer. It's an ideal companion for anyone who wants quick setup and unmatched flexibility. Number 2. Petrel Cooking Pot. Lightweight, efficient, and built for the wild, the Fire Maple G3 Petrel is the camp cook's dream. Weighing just 162 grams, this hard anodized aluminum pot packs a punch with a 600 milliliter capacity and a built-in heat exchanger that boosts fuel efficiency. You'll be able to boil water or cook a hot meal using less fuel and in less time. Its folding handle and mesh bag make it easy to carry, while the neoprene sleeve keeps your hands protected. It also comes with a lid featuring a steam vent hole for pressure control, ideal for solo hikers or minimalist campers who want functionality without bulk. Number 1. Camping Cot Bed. No more sleepless nights on uneven ground. This ultralight camping cot gives you a flat, sturdy, and breathable bed with a 150 kilogram weight capacity. Made with 7075 aviation-grade aluminum and tear-resistant Oxford fabric, this folding cot is built to support 2 people without compromising stability. At just 2.35 kilograms, it folds down to a compact 49 by 15 centimeters, fitting effortlessly into your pack. The triangular structure design adds extra durability, making it perfect for backpacking, hiking, or travel. Setup is quick and easy, giving you a reliable sleep setup wherever you go. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.